Hello and welcome to today's video, in which we want to show you how you can connect to the Linux console of a controller using an SSH connection. To be able to connect to the controller, you need to have an SSH client. We recommend to use PuTTY in the latest version available. After downloading, you can run the setup to install the SSH client. Select SSH in the PuTTY user interface and enter the IP address of the controller that you want to connect to. On pressing open, the program will establish the connection and you will see a terminal window. Please enter the username and password here. This is root with the password WAGO by default. On first login, you will be asked to change the password, and we highly recommend to do that. Now you're connected with the controller and you can start working in the Linux console. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and as always, we are available for further questions.